19,000 jobs created or retained, 224 businesses financed, 10,000 units of housing developed. The Reinvestment Fund's commitment and contribution to the economic vitality of the Greater Philadelphia region is extraordinary. It is for these reasons and more that this year's JEVS Economic and Workforce Development Award winner is the Reinvestment Fund.
The mission of the Reinvestment Fund is to build wealth and opportunity for low wealth places and low and moderate income people. It provides loans and equity investments for entrepreneurs, for nonprofit organizations, in support of housing developments and community facilities and small businesses, and also offer assistance in workforce services.
When I first met Jeremy and the other folks at the Reinvestment Fund, I was very intrigued by the uniqueness of not just the mission, but the energy, the wisdom, and frankly the pragmatism of everybody at the Reinvestment Fund.
Job creation is important at the Reinvestment Fund because there is no way to build income and wealth for people unless they're in the labor market. And so we invest in companies that we think will create jobs. We invest in workers so that they can get those jobs. And in our view, without that, there's really no way to have a healthy economy.
We've been dealing with the Reinvestment Fund for, I guess, about 4 years. I guess in the beginning, they probably took a little bigger risk with us than a conventional lender would do. And when we started with TRF, we were 2 stores. We're now 4 stores. And they financed a lot of that growth.
TRF is unique in that we bring together the financial needs and the human capital needs that a small business requires to succeed.
The Reinvestment Fund's had a profound impact on the Greater Philadelphia region. In charter schools in Philadelphia, for example, we're the largest charter school provider. We've done 35 charter school loans of some of the best and most interesting charter school developments in the city and frankly in the nation.
TRF's relationship with JEVS has grown in recent years with their collaborative work on the Customer Service Training Collaborative. This training program is designed to give job seekers the critical customer service skills they need to succeed in a variety of industries. This program uses the expertise of the National Retail Federation Foundation and offers graduates an opportunity to earn professional certification in customer service, a portable credential trainees can take with them as they move ahead.
If CSTC was not here for me, I don't think I would be working today. I think I would be still wallowing in my pity, not thinking that I would get anywhere. But coming to CSTC, it has done a lot for me. It helped me to think positive about myself. It helped me to understand that this was not the end, and it has given me the confidence that I needed to get back in the workforce.
TRF gives people an opportunity to find a job, to be trained, and that is really the kind of thing which I think is going to help particularly the inner cities and some of the depressed areas.
For its outstanding commitment to improving the Philadelphia region, the Reinvestment Fund has been named this year's JEVS Economic and Workforce Development Award winner.
Personally, winning this award means a great deal. It says something about the recognition of the Reinvestment Fund as an economic development organization. You know, we have gotten much of our reputation over the years in housing, in community facilities, in neighborhood development, but the truth of the matter is, in the last 5 or 6 years, we have put significant amounts of human and financial capital into economic development, and I think this award is great recognition of that.